the Congress party was held at Santipur Deopani Mandal Congress Committee office on Thursday. Several party leaders, workers and supporters attended the meet. Senior party leaders including Khorsing Ingti, Roton Ingti and other leaders like Chandan Patikar, Sutro Teron, Jina Lekthepi, Junmili Teron P, Romesh Singnar and Borsing Rongpi, who attended the workers' meet, came down heavily on the ruling BJP party, accusing the Saffron party of failing to fulfill its pre-poll promises. It had to the people of the nations like creations of jobs and deposit of rupees 15 lakh into the bank account of each citizens, among others. They severely criticized the BJP for privatizing many airports, increasing prices of commodities in the market, which have affected the common people. The Congress leaders appealed to the people to restore its faith in the party and vote back the party to power in the coming assembly election. SYJ members Enjoy Singnar, Sumon Rongphar, Sarbinong Singnar, and Binod Singnar from the BJP joined the Congress party during the meet. Awareness cum training program on self-employment through livestock and poultry farming was organized on Thursday by Sub-Divisional Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officers Dipu Karbi Anglong in collaborations with Karbi Farmer Association at Manja. The program was on livestock and poultry farming, how to engage the youth to be self-employed. The awareness was given by Dr. Dilip Mahanta, DVO, Dr. Anthony Pangcho, Manager, Goat Breeding Farm, Silonijan, Dr. David Bordoloy, VO, Dr. Harsing Ronghang, Dispensary Officers, Manja, from KFA Tinkuingti, President, Soron Singh Rongpi, General Secretary, Chesong Singnar, Joint Secretary, Harsing Rongpi, Publicity Secretary, Amor Rongpi, Secretary, Dhansari Branch, Bimal Terang, President, Manja Branch, and Moniram Timung, Secretary, Manja Branch, attended the program. An Alto collided with a truck at Disobay under Bukolia police stations around 11 a.m. on Thursday. The Alto driver was critically injured. Source reported that the truck flying from Guwahati to Dimapur hit the Alto bearing registration number AS09G8176. The driver of the Alto car was critically injured, who was later taken to Bukolia 30-bedded hospital for medical attention. Adieu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.